Out of six different science books and four different maths books, in how many ways we can select four books if two of each are necessary? Now we have six science books and four maths books. We want to select a total of four books where we want two science books and two maths books. So therefore, we can easily do it as 6C2 multiplied by 4C2. So 6C2, that is 6 into 5 divided by 2 multiplied by 4 into 3 divided by 2. So 2 twos are 4. So 6 fives are 30, 33s are 90. So in 90 different ways we can do the required thing. So answer will be option C.